Sir, may we have your reaction doon sa sinabi ni Representative Ungab na plano niyang dalhin sa Supreme Court itong usapin ng GAA?
Hindi ko mapipigilan si Congressman Ungab at saka yung mga similarly minded people who would want to put up a challenge. Ang problema natin dyan is hindi kami ang mananagot dyan kung mayroong mang pagkukulang sa bagay na yan dahil BICAM report yan eh. Wala kaming kinalaman sa BICAM report. Ang may kinalaman lang kami yung finished product na pinapirmahan sa presidente. Hindi yung blank check.
Meron pong criticisms on the modifications na ginagawa ng OP on the budget. Could you please explain to us yung legal basis po nitong mga adjustments na ito? Kasi like for example, tinatanong po ng ibang mga congressmen, can the President actually declare savings at the start of the year?
Di naman po, kasi savings nga po. So, nasan ba yung listahan ko kanina? Meron pong mga specific rules and regulations, may budgeting rules and guidelines po tayong sinusunod. Karamihan po doon ay nakalagay sa General Appropriations Act natin.
Are there already savings as early as now? Yes, of course, because there are many vacant positions na nagkaroon na ng allocation sa budget. Ano? Pero if they are unfilled, January, they become savings for the month until na magkaroon ng occupant of that office. Yung sweldo doon, savings yun, technically speaking. So, yung characterization of those funds na hindi na spent for specific purposes, beginning the year, this will be part of the savings. Only the President may, however, use these savings through his power of augmentation.